Hi, and welcome to our second week of the 52-week challenge. So this time we're going to make a partially eaten hot dog for our blender. So let's delete the cube first. We're going to create Shift A. Let's create the hot dog part first. So cylinder, this is good. Press 1. SC, we're going to make it about this big. It should be about this much bigger. So that way we can edit it now. Let's see. What we want here is E, just a little bit, C, and here, same thing, E, C, then S, like that. S, just no, hard bad right there. Press 1. We gotta press the X-ray so everything actually gets extruded correctly. Okay. As same thing for this, easy. All right. Exit out of this, and then we're still going to be in X-ray mode. So press 1. Exit out of that. Then E, S, like this. And we're going to go E up. That's going to be our hot dog part. And we're just going to do, what's it called? Oh, let's see. E again, then M at center. Now, let's see, S. Like that, yeah. Then E, oh, no. Control R here. S. All right, that's pretty good. Okay. Now let's add some variations here so that it makes it look like we ate it. But first, let's actually bevel this so it looks a little more roundish. So Shift Control P, Shift Control, sorry, then Shift, then sorry, select the first one, select the second one with Shift, then Shift Control, and then plus, and then hold it. All right, awesome. So we're gonna do the same to this. Same to that. And I think we're probably gonna do the same to that part. Now, yeah, let's just do that top part right there. Okay, and then bevel is right here. That's good. Okay, let's do that over here. Shift, select, Control plus and hold, and then bevel a little bit. We can add more segments here if we want to make it smoother, but this works. Then Shift Control, Shift select, then Control, then select everything, and there we are. That is good. That is a good hot dog. Okay. Now let's do some proportional editing right here. And we're gonna select a few of these vertices. Not too much though. All right, and then GC. All right, so that's like where the bite is taken out of. Good, okay. And then we're just gonna add the stick. So let's get out of edit mode, Shift A, we're going to do a cube, X-ray mode, press 1, then SX, make it, that's good size. Then tab, vertices, select those two, S like that, a little bit, but not too much, and then tab SY, we're gonna make it smaller. SY, yeah, that's a good size stick. 1, then GC, all right, SC. Okay, now we got the easiest part of things done. Let's add, what's it called? Let's add the mustard, and we do that with either a line or a plane. Sorry, a line or a circle. I'll show you. All right, let's take everything off here. Shift A, curve. We're going to do a circle, and we're going to add radius is big. Let's go to the line here, and we can do edit mode. I think geometry, extrude here. We're going to get some extrusion, but what we really want is the def. So bring it back down. And then we're just going to select this. So X. Oh, that is weird. Okay. All right. So let's select these two, bring them closer like that. Oh, all right. What do we want? The bevel to be a little smaller. Yeah, like this is not going to work. Okay. I mean, we can, but it's tedious. So let's delete this one. And then Shift A. And we're going to do a Belsier cave. Okay. Let's press 1. RY 90. Then RX 90. Nope. All right. Then RX RC 90. Okay, there we are. Now let's edit that. And we want this one, so E like this, and E like that, then E like that. That's what we want. Okay. G, it should be about the same here. Okay. Tab, go to bevel. Sorry, go to the line menu right here. We're going to do a def like this. That's not terrible. Okay. And then tab. No, don't tab. Put everything back here. All right. With this selected, GY. GY this way. Press that. Let's bring it down right here. Tab, edit mode. Oh, do not turn that on. Like that. Sweet. Okay. And then this one. G. Like this. Okay, this is going to be our mustard. Press 3. Oh no, my mouse fell. Let's bring this all back. Tab GY like that, and then tab, select that, GY, so GY. All right, and there's our mustard, but we actually want it a little thinner. Maybe that's too much mustard, but I know that's blasphemy to say. All right, press 1. Let's bring this in because it needs to be touching directly. All right, sorry, this is all pretty much just like 3. All right. Okay, we got our hot dog done. I think that's enough experimenting there. But we can add more segments to this, and make the, what do you call it, the ketchup, the mustard look better. All right. So let's smooth everything out that needs to be smoothed out. But that's pretty much our hot dog. Again, a little practice makes perfect. But here's a pretty good start. All right. Thanks for listening. And until the next time. Yeah, like this should be going faster. But again, rusty and definitely need to redo this quite a bit. All right.